Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can turn on ambient mode on YouTube. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube, and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top right, and then you need to click on settings, and then you need to click on general and click on appearance, and then you need to click on dark theme. Okay, and then I'm going to search for a random video. Okay, so this is the video, so let me select this one, and I want to turn on the ambient mode. You simply need to click on the settings icon in the top right, and here you can see ambient mode under loop video. You simply need to click on that, and now ambient mode is on. So this is the process by which you can turn on ambient mode on YouTube. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.